Today, we're diving into a comprehensive comparison between the brand new OM system, OM-3, and the Fujifilm X-T50. The OM-3 boasts a 20.0 megapixel 4/3 sensor, offering advanced image stabilization and a fully articulated 3-inch LCD screen. On the other hand, the X-T50 features a 40.0 megapixel APS-C sensor, providing higher resolution images and a tilting 3-inch LCD screen. But the big question is, which one is best for your needs and style? Well, let's dive into a detailed comparison of these two mirrorless cameras and see which one is the right choice for you. And if you find this video helpful, please help out the channel by giving it a like and subscribing. Let's start off with the design and build quality. The OM-3 measures 139 by 89 millimeters and weighs 496 grams, offering a robust yet compact form factor. It features a weather-sealed body, providing resistance against water and dust, making it ideal for outdoor photography in various conditions. The fully articulated LCD screen adds versatility, especially for vloggers and those who need flexible shooting angles. On the other hand, the Fujifilm X-T50 is slightly more compact, measuring 132 by 85 millimeters and weighing 438 grams. But it lacks weather sealing, which might be a consideration for those shooting in unpredictable environments. Its tilting screen is suitable for shooting from waist or over the head levels, but doesn't offer the same flexibility as the OM-3's fully articulated screen. So, if you're an outdoor enthusiast needing a durable camera with versatile screen articulation, the OM-3 stands out. But if you prefer a lighter, more compact setup and don't require weather sealing, the X-T50 could be your match. Moving on to image quality and sensor performance, the Fujifilm X-T50 offers a significant advantage with its 40.0 megapixels APS-C sensor, providing higher resolution images that allow for larger prints and more flexibility in cropping. The larger sensor size also offers better control over depth of field, enabling more pronounced background blur for portraits. Additionally, the absence of an anti-aliasing filter enhances image sharpness, though it may increase the risk of moire in certain scenes. On the other hand, the OM-3 with its 20.0 megapixels 4/3 sensor delivers excellent image quality but with lower resolution. Its sensor also lacks an anti-aliasing filter, boosting detail sharpness. But the smaller sensor size results in a 1.6 times smaller sensor area compared to the X-T50, which may affect depth of field control and low-light performance. If high-resolution imagery and depth of field control are priorities, the X-T50 takes the lead. But if you're satisfied with slightly lower resolution and value other features like portability, the OM-3 remains a strong contender. When it comes to lens availability and image stabilization, both cameras offer a wide range of native lenses. The OM-3 with its micro 4/3 mount has access to 128 native lenses, providing extensive options for various shooting scenarios. On the flip side, the Fujifilm X-T50 featuring the Fujifilm X mount has 122 native lenses available. Both cameras come equipped with sensor-based image stabilization, ensuring all attached lenses benefit from stabilization. The OM-3's stabilization system compensates for up to 7.5 stops of vibration, slightly outperforming the X-T50's 7.0 stops. This means the OM-3 offers a marginally better performance in handheld shooting situations, reducing camera shake more effectively. So, if having a broader lens selection and superior stabilization is crucial for your photography, the OM-3 edges ahead. But the X-T50 still offers a respectable range of lenses and effective stabilization for most users. In terms of video capabilities, the OM-3 allows recording at a maximum resolution of 4096 by 2160 at various frame rates up to 60p, with bit rates up to 202 megabits per second. Notably, it doesn't impose a 30-minute recording limit, enabling extended shooting sessions until your storage is full or the battery is depleted. The fully articulated screen is particularly advantageous for videographers needing flexible viewing angles. On the other hand, the Fujifilm X-T50 also offers 4K recording, but with a maximum resolution of 6240 by 4160, providing higher detail in video capture. But it lacks information on recording limits and features a tilting screen, which may be less convenient for certain shooting angles. So, if you require higher resolution video and are comfortable with a tilting screen, the X-T50 is appealing. But for longer recording sessions and more versatile screen articulation, the OM-3 proves advantageous. As for battery life and connectivity, the OM-3 is powered by the BLX-1 battery, offering an impressive 590 shots per charge, surpassing the average mirrorless camera battery life of 392 shots. It also features built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, allowing for seamless wireless connectivity and remote control via a smartphone app. On the other hand, the Fujifilm X-T50 provides a battery life of 305 shots per charge, which is below average but may suffice for casual shooting sessions. It also includes Wi-Fi and Bluetooth capabilities for wireless image transfer and remote control. If extended battery life and robust connectivity are essential for your workflow, the OM-3 stands out. But if your shooting sessions are shorter and battery life is less of a concern, the X-T50 remains a viable option. As for my final verdict, the OM System OM-3 is a top-tier mirrorless camera that checks a lot of boxes. It offers robust build quality with weather sealing, extensive lens options, superior image stabilization, and longer battery life, making it ideal for outdoor photographers and videographers seeking reliability and versatility. On the flip side, the Fujifilm X-T50, with its higher resolution sensor and compact design, caters to those prioritizing image detail and portability, suitable for studio work or casual photography where weather sealing and extended battery life are less critical. Ultimately, your choice depends on your specific needs and shooting environment. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more in-depth reviews and comparisons.